Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to discuss this really important topic. Dark circles under your eyes. Now, they are really stubborn and they are the hardest to treat and hardest to get rid of. Now, anybody can get dark circles under their eyes, but they are more common in darker skin types, say skin types 4, 5 and 6. I am Indian and I have got skin type 4 and I definitely have under eye dark circles. Now I saw a lot of misleading information on the internet, on the YouTube about under eye dark circles. People have made these YouTube videos and said, okay, apply this and you will get rid of your under eye dark circles in 3 days, or apply that and you will get rid of your under eye dark circles overnight. Now this is really misleading information, and that's what I felt I need to make this video, to tell you guys the truth, to educate you guys about the under eye dark circles. Now what happens is, people watch those videos, people go home and they buy all that lemon juice and chickpea powder and cucumber and make a paste and apply it under their eyes, thinking that the under eye dark circles are gonna go away in 3 days. Let me tell you, you can apply that paste under your eyes not for 3 days, 3 years, and you will still have under eye dark circles. So this is a really misleading information. So in today's video, I'm going to explain it to you how under eye dark circles happen. So once you understand what under eye dark circles are and how they happen, then you will have a better understanding of the treatment for under eye dark circles. You have to be really patient with the treatment for the under eye dark circles. Yes, they are treatable. Yes, the skin under your eyes will become lighter over time, but you have to understand everything about under eye dark circles, what causes them, how they get how your skin gets irritated and then you get the flare-ups of dark skin under your eyes. So that's what we're going to discuss in today's video. So if you are ready, keep on watching. My channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Anna. I'm a fully qualified cosmetic nurse. Apart from being on YouTube, I also work in a skin clinic where I treat men and women from different backgrounds and for different skin concerns. I make 2 videos a week, or at least I try to make 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and every Saturday. And if you want to learn my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. And if you are interested in health and fitness related posts, please follow me on my Instagram. Grab your cup of tea and let's talk about dark circles under your eyes and what are the causes of these stubborn dark circles under your eyes. So you will start to notice the dark circles under your eyes in early 20s, and as you age, these under eye dark circles become worse and worse. Why they become worse as you age? Because as we age, our skin starts to become thinner and then the under eye dark circles are a bit more visible, and that's why people say as you age, the under eye dark circles become worse. Now, what are the reasons of under eye dark circles? Now, we have got this pigment in our skin which is called melanin, which I'm pretty sure you all understand what melanin is. Melanin is this pigment in our skin which gives the color to our skin, and melanin is something which differentiate the ethnic backgrounds. Like amount of melanin in my skin differentiates me from say people who are white Caucasian, because they have got less melanin in their skin and they have got lighter skin. So apart from giving our skin color, melanin has got other functions, like melanin protects us from the harmful UV rays. When we are out and about in the sun, this melanin it creates that protective shield on our skin to protect us from the harmful UV rays. So we can't really hate melanin. Melanin is the cause of lot of skin problems in darker skin types, including me, but we cannot totally blame melanin because it has got some really good functions as well. So what happens is we have got melanin all over our body, in our face, arms, legs, everywhere. Melanin is present everywhere. So melanin is also present in the skin under our eyes. So why under eyes dark circles bother people so much? Because if the melanin is in your cheeks, it's gonna be less visible because the skin on your cheek is a little bit thicker. But the skin underneath your eyes, it's a very fine and very thin layer of skin. That's why the melanin shows up a lot more under your eyes compared to any other part of your body. And that's why under eye dark circles bother people more, apart from having the dark spots or dark patches anywhere else on your skin. So as I said, the skin underneath our eyes is really thin and it gets irritated really quick. So if, for example, you are applying a face cream or you're applying an eye cream which is too strong or too harsh for your skin, so your skin underneath your eyes is gonna become irritated really fast. And whenever your skin is irritated, what's gonna happen? Your body is gonna make more melanin and it's gonna make your under eye dark circle problems worse than it is. If you got any allergies, say you got blocked sinuses and stuff, that's another reason that you're gonna see your under eye dark circles are a bit more prominent. So we gotta be very careful what sort of creams we apply on our face and what sort of creams we apply under the eyes, because of very thin and very sensitive skin. We already have a lot of melanin and we don't want melanin to be triggered, and we don't want our body to make any more melanin. So we need to be very careful about the skincare products we pick to apply on our face. We need to be very conscious about the percentage of those ingredients which we are going to apply on our face. So another thing about under eye dark circle is pigmentation sits really deep in the deepest layer of our skin, and it's really hard to remove. So if the melanin is sitting on the topper layer of our skin, like say in epidermis, then it's really easy for us to get rid of under eye dark circles. But that pigmentation is sitting in the dermis layer, which is the deepest layer of our skin, and none of the face creams are gonna be able to penetrate that deep to give us any sort of help with our under eye dark circles. So you must have seen there are tons of like eye creams or eye masks or these caffeine creams and caffeine eye masks available in the market, which claim that they're gonna help you with your under eye dark circles. Now that you understand that the pigmentation for the dark circle is sitting in the deepest layer of your skin, which is dermis layer, and none of these caffeine creams or caffeine face masks are gonna be able to penetrate that deep. So it's totally a waste of your money and a waste of your time buying all those skincare products which are not going to be able to help you with your under eye dark circles, and they're just gonna total waste of your money. Now you guys are very smart, very well educated, you guys are smart, that's why you're watching this video and you want to understand what under eye dark circles are. So I am telling you, please don't fall for the misleading information. Those caffeine creams, yes, they can constrict your blood vessels underneath your eyes, but there is no way they can reach to the deepest layer of your skin to remove those dark circles. Now, the under eye dark circles, yes, they are treatable, but they take a long time and you have to be very patient with the dark circle treatment. Now, how we're gonna tackle the treatment for under eye dark circles? So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to make the skin underneath our eyes thicker, so the pigmentation is less visible and it bothers you less. So how we can make the skin under your eyes little bit thicker? So we need something which can stimulate the production of collagen, which can stimulate the production of elastin to make this skin a little bit thicker, and so the pigmentation is less visible. And another thing which we can do is because this is melanin, we need products which stop or which reduces the production of melanin. So these products you must have heard about is called tyrosinase inhibitors, and tyrosinase inhibitor has got only one function, that they reduce the production of melanin, or some of them with like a good concentration they stop the production of melanin. And when there is less melanin and there is less pigment, and so the under eye dark circles are less visible. So now we are going to look at the ingredients, we're going to look at the products which are going to help us to thicken the skin underneath our eyes, and then we are going to look at tyrosinase inhibitors. So the first ingredient we need to treat our under eye dark circle is retinyl palmitate. Not retinol, retinyl palmitate. Now you guys will say, why retinyl palmitate? Because retinol is much more stronger than retinyl palmitate. Yes, you are right. Retinol is much more stronger than retinyl palmitate. But because, as I said, the skin underneath our eyes is really thin and very sensitive. If you apply a high strength retinol, what it is gonna do? It's gonna further irritate your skin, and then body is gonna make way more melanin, because the body feels the skin is injured. So to protect the injured skin, you are gonna have more melanin production, and what's gonna happen, it's just gonna make our problem worse. So we need to use creams which has got retinyl palmitate, which is less irritating and which is safer to use under your eyes. And there are tons of creams on the market which has got retinyl palmitate. So that's your first step. And what retinyl palmitate does is, retinyl palmitate increases the cell turnover rate, which means the cells which are sitting in our under eye area and which are become old and worn out, and they have got melanin in them, so those cells get removed by the body, and those cells then are replaced by fresh, juicy, healthy, plumpy skin cells. And because they are new cells, they don't have melanin in them, and when the new cells take place of the older cells, and then you will see the pigmentation is less and the under eye dark circles are less prominent. So the first step, using an eye cream which has got retinyl palmitate, not retinol. So now let's talk about tyrosinase inhibitors, because tyrosinase inhibitors are really important in our skincare to tackle the under eye dark circles, because as the name indicates, tyrosinase inhibitors, they inhibit the production of tyrosinase, which plays a role in the production of melanin. So when we start using skincare products which are tyrosinase inhibitors, what they do is they stop the production of melanin, and then we have got less melanin in our skin, and then we have got less pigmentation under our eyes. So what is the most commonly used tyrosinase inhibitor which pretty much everybody uses? This is vitamin C. Yeah, vitamin C comes in many different forms, of water soluble form, fat soluble form. So water soluble form is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is really effective in treating the melanin which is in the topper layer of our skin, like epidermis. But sodium ascorbyl phosphate does not go quite deep into the deeper layer of our skin. So the fat soluble form of vitamin C, which is tetrahexyl decyl ascorbate, it has the capacity to travel into the deepest layer of the skin, and it stimulates the production of more collagen and more elastin, which then makes the skin underneath our eyes a little bit thicker, and then the under eye dark circles are a little bit less visible and they are less prominent and they won't bother you that much. So the second step in tackling the under eye dark circle is using tyrosinase inhibitor, which is vitamin C. There are lots of other tyrosinase inhibitors, but vitamin C is the most commonly used tyrosinase inhibitor. Another tyrosinase inhibitor which you guys will be aware of is niacinamide. Yes, niacinamide is really good in lightening the pigment in any part of your skin, on the face, legs, arms, back. It can work anywhere. And what niacinamide does is, niacinamide helps to migrate the melanin producing cells from the site of origin, and it just distributes the melanin to the surrounding sites. So imagine you have got a lot of melanin cells sitting in one place and giving you the hyperpigmentation or giving you the under eye dark circles. So niacinamide is really good at transferring that cluster of melanin cells, and it takes those melanin cells to the other side, so the pigmentation appears a little bit less and your skin looks a little bit lighter. So vitamin C and niacinamide, they're really good tyrosinase inhibitors. And another very simple thing which you can do is wearing your sunscreen. Best treatment ever, because when you apply your sunscreen, it stops the production of melanin, it protects your skin from the harmful UV rays, and then your body doesn't have to go crazy making a lot of melanin. So applying your sunscreen every day before you leave home is another really important step in tackling the under eye dark circles. And there are few more tyrosinase inhibitors which are really safe to use under your eye area, which to apply on your delicate skin. So the other really good tyrosinase inhibitors are, say, arbutin. Arbutin is an excellent tyrosinase inhibitor and it's very safe to use under your eyes. And apart from arbutin, licorice root extract is another really good tyrosinase inhibitor, which is very safe to use under your eyes, and it has got a I think an ingredient called glabridin, and glabridin is really good at lightening your skin, and it has got antioxidant properties as well. So arbutin and licorice root extract is another really good tyrosinase inhibitor which can be safely used under your eye area. And there is one more thing which we can do to tackle our under eye dark circle is using humectants. So what we basically want to do is we want to increase the hydration level of the skin under our eyes. So we need to use a product which is a water magnet, which attracts lot of water and plump up the area under the eyes. So the skin is plumped up, skin is thicker, and the under eye dark circles are less visible. So what are the humectants? What are the water attracting ingredients? Like say sodium hyaluronate. It's a really good ingredient because sodium hyaluronate is a water magnet. It attracts the tons of water towards it and instantly plump up the skin, and the well hydrated and plumped skin then in turn is gonna make your under eye dark circles less visible. So these are all the things you can do to treat your under eye dark circles if they are bothering you that much. Let me tell you, you are beautiful. You are absolutely gorgeous, and just because you have got under eye dark circles does not make you any less prettier, okay? So if you have under eye dark circles, don't stress about them. Yes, you can treat them. You can try all these things I have shown you in this video. Be patient. That treatment is going to work, but it's gonna take a lot of time. And please don't fall for the misleading information. Don't go for that masks with the freaking, what do you say, the lemon juice, the chickpeas paste, and that cucumber, and start applying. None of them is gonna be able to travel that deep into the dermis layer of your skin, and that's not gonna work. So be patient. Embrace your under eye dark circles. You are beautiful, and your under eye dark circles aren't gonna make you any less prettier. Be patient. These ingredients are gonna work, but they're gonna take a little bit of time to work, and use your sunscreen every day. So that's it about today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and got some useful tips out of it. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, and please leave your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion is really important for me to improve my videos. And if you have got any topic in your mind and you want me to make the video about that topic, please let me know in the comment section, and I would love to cover that topic. And please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.